Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix keyboard is typing wrong letters. So the first step, what I suggest to do here, look on your keyboard if the numlock is not connected, right? Not enabled. So if it's enabled, then just disable it, right? And if it's not the case, sometimes other languages mess up your keyboard keys. So for example, if I select on-screen keyboard here, as you can see here, I selected English, and for example, Z is a normal position, right? And if I, for example, change to French, now as you can see here, my keyboard is basically messed up. My W is on Z's and Z on W. So what you need to do here is to simply right-click on settings, Windows icon, go to settings, then go to time and language, then region, then select, drag the right language that you want to use here normally, and then make sure that basic typing is enabled on that particular language. So as you can see here on French, there is basic typing. So what I suggest to do here is to just go with the language that you want to use. In my case, it's English, and then 3 dots, language options, and on language options, make sure that basic typing is installed, and then always select the right language, and it should work like a charm. Right? So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.